How do I change the default browser from Edge in Windows 11? Imagine clicking a link in an email or a document and having it open in a browser you prefer. That's what changing your default browser in Windows 11 is all about. Windows 11 is the latest version of the Windows operating system, and it offers a lot of options for customizing how your computer works. One of those options is choosing which web browser opens links automatically. By default, Windows 11 sets Microsoft Edge as the default, but you can easily switch it to another browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. To do this, start by opening the Start menu. Click on Settings, which looks like a gear icon. Once in Settings, go to Apps, then select Default Apps. You will see a list of categories for different file types and protocols. Scroll down until you find the web browser section. The current default browser, likely Microsoft Edge, will be shown there. Click on it, and a list of installed browsers will appear. Pick the one you want to set as your default, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. When prompted, confirm your choice. This tells Windows 11 to open all web links with your selected browser from now on. It's important to know that changing the default browser in Windows 11 doesn't automatically change all web-related file types and protocols. Some links or files might still open in Edge because Windows manages defaults for specific protocols like HTTP and HTTPS, or file types like HTML. To make sure everything opens in your preferred browser, you may need to manually set defaults for each protocol and file type in the Default Apps menu. This extra step ensures that every web link or HTML file opens exactly where you want it to. This process highlights how Windows 11 handles application defaults differently from some other operating systems. Instead of a single switch, Windows offers detailed control over which apps handle different tasks. While this gives you flexibility, it can also be a bit more involved if you want everything to open in one browser. Changing your default browser can improve your workflow, especially if you use browser-specific features or extensions. For example, if you prefer Google Chrome for its extensions or Mozilla Firefox for privacy, setting it as your default makes your browsing experience smoother. Businesses might also choose a specific browser for compatibility with internal tools. In summary, to change the default browser in Windows 11, go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps. Select your preferred browser and set it as default. For complete control, adjust defaults for individual protocols and file types. This process shows how Windows 11 balances user choice with detailed application management, giving you the power to customize your web experience.